Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer.
Alright.
We do it in D.
Adam, that's very important. And feel free to sing along.
Yeah.
This one. This is our sing along portion of the evening.